Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to talk Cardano and why I believe it's far from done. So we're going to take a look at a couple of trading pairs and at the charts to show you why I believe this. Before we go into this, please like the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm and it helps get this video out there. I really want to promote my videos because I believe that I present this data in like a non-convoluted way. I'm not drawing a bunch of lines on the screen, only if it makes sense, but I'm trying to keep things simple and clear so that it can help you invest in cryptocurrencies. So first off, ADA is trading at $2.17 right now, and we've just been trading sideways, right? And people are wondering, why isn't ADA doing anything? Especially if you look at some of these other cryptocurrencies like Avalanche, a 4% pop right here. Nano 4%. DeFi has really been not doing anything, and Ethereum was getting close to all-time highs. So people ask and wonder what the heck is happening in Cardano. Dot's having 2% increase right now. It's almost at $44, right? And everyone's like looking around like, what's going on with Cardano? Well, Cardano had its pop, right? We went from $1 to almost $3, right? And now we came back down from this. So we're going to look at a couple of pairs. So Cardano Bitcoin right now, we have broken this trend line right here that I drew in my last video. And this only shows, right? This makes sense because Bitcoin has been on its tear right now. And Bitcoin has been taking control of the market and it reached all-time new highs. But now we're having a little bit of a pullback. So going back to Cardano, it makes sense that the Cardano Bitcoin pair will be going down. But I see a little green candle right here. And this is definitely a good sign. Maybe this is a sign that Cardano against Bitcoin is increasing, right? So we can reverse this trend right here. So this is definitely a good sign that I'm watching. But still, I think we still need more time to consolidate at these levels. And I'll show you later about why I think that, looking at the previous pattern. Next, I want to show you the Cardano Ether pair right here. So this is Cardano against Ether. And overall, right, we've been trending higher. We've been having higher lows, right? This trend line right here. And you can see here, I see another green candle, right? Just a little green wick right there. A little sign that shows that Cardano, is still alive. And that we may be reversing this trend right here. We'll see about that, right? It'll be interesting to watch, but going back to Cardano, we can see another pattern right here. So this red and green band right here, this is the bull market support band. This is the 20-week EMA and a 21-week SMA. And this is a very popular indicator that's used by Benjamin Cohen at Into the Cryptoverse. And he uses this for Bitcoin mainly, but for other cryptocurrencies because Bitcoin controls the market to see if something's in a bullish trend or not. Now, if you use this as like a marker for where we're at right now, the trend that we're at right now is that we're around this area right here. So you can see here that we had this massive bull run right here, and then we went below this band and we kind of traded sideways for a little. We came up above it and now we're above it. And this trend is very similar to this trend right here, this pattern right here, right? We had this bull run up here, came back below it, right? Came back below this trend right here. Let me just draw this real quick. Right, we came back down below it. Same right here too. Boom, right? We've had these consolidation periods and then we have these run-ups. And if you see here, let me just draw this. We tested this band right, sorry about that. We tested this band right here. Right in this area right here. Right, we had this consolidation period where we consolidated, and then boom, off to the races we went. And looking at this chart, right, it's the same exact process where we went below this band, came up above it, went sideways, went down, and now we're consolidating right here. I'm going to change this color right here. So I see the exact same pattern playing out. You know, it just takes time for these cryptocurrencies to consolidate and get to a new area. Now, another thing that I can do is I can actually take this bar pattern right here. Hold on. So I take this bar pattern right here. Boom. And we'll take this run. Now, this is not an exact match, but of course, I don't think things don't play out exactly like how they always do, you know, in the previous past. But I do like the similarities between what happened in the past and now. And now what I'm theorizing is that this current run that we're in right now for Cardano, this cycle is longer than the previous cycles, but as we can see that we still have where we went under this band right here, we came up above it, tested it, and came back up, right? Same as here. We went under it, went back above it, tested it, and now I see that we can go up from here. And then we also have this trend line right here where we're constantly going up. So these are some indicators that I'm looking at and that show me that Cardano is far from dead. Cardano is still in the top 4 cryptocurrencies. It's number 4, I believe, right now. So there's a lot of money in this project. So if there's that much money in this project, now the market cap is not the only indicator, of course, to see if a project is risky or not. But knowing what I know about Cardano, there's so much involvement in it. There's so many people behind it, so many developers in this field. So Cardano is far from dead. Like the video if this is helpful, subscribe. It really helps out with the channel and the YouTube algorithm. I'll talk to you guys later. Follow me on Twitter at InvestWithFire for more updates. Take care. Bye.